Welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach, who will be doing a live trading session and live analysis, live discussion. So Friday, guys, very important day, weekend, and also the news day. Friday always kind of day that we can count on. Now the most important question here in this Friday is the market, right? So is the market is getting a reversal, or it's now moving back to the upside again for gold and also on Gbpusd? We see that there is a potential head and shoulder formation, but I will still keep the trend counted. If you look at the weekly chart, we can see that this is the weekly move. So far a big move happened from the weekly. Now either we could see the market again going up, or even can expect a rejection, because this is a very strong sellers area, and either we could see further up and then rejection, or we might see a rejection from here. So we need to look at especially the lower time frame price action. If you look at the 15 minutes, what we can see that from the lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame is where, from the 1 hour and the lower time frame, we can see that gold is basically forming a head and shoulder in that area. So with this head and shoulder formation, and now this head and shoulder alone is not enough to tell us that okay, the market will reverse. We also need to wait for the news to come up. So if you look at the Forex factory calendar, so we need to look at the calendar as well. So because the news, in fact, an important very important criteria that you need to look at. So if we see that there is a very good news or bad news, we might see that potential rejection. So CAD news coming at 10:30 p.m. Employment change and unemployment rates, and then 12 a.m. in my zone, so it's in around 2 hours time, preliminary UOM consumer sentiment, which is basically a very important high impact news here on dollar. So if we see that there is a very strong rejection from the top, then we can expect gold to even to reverse. So because there is an order block here, so this is an order block on gold. If it reverses, this is a very big trend, and if it reverses, then it's possible for gold to straight drop back to the weekly support level, depending on the news. Absolutely. Okay, so if we see that news is in fact in favor, then we can look at that to see how the market might be doing here. So from the lower time frame, so far we can see that a bit of primarily we see a bit of rejection showing up. Now we want to, because if this kind of strong uptrend, if it wants to reverse, it needs deep liquidity gap. We have seen this is the 15-minute chart, already one liquidity gap, and if it grabs more, then we can look for here for potential selling opportunity. All right, traders, hope that you are enjoying the live session. If you're enjoying, then I would appreciate your support by giving a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification and let me know if you are here so that I can start with the full analysis. Thanks for joining. Hope that everyone can see me and hear me. Fred Kokski, what about Gbpusd? I will be looking at that. Traders, if you are here, say yes so that I know. Good morning. Island Cooking, good morning. Thank you very much. Let me know if you are here. Ninja, yes, thank you very much. Greatness, yes, you are here. Thank you very much. Mahan, welcome. Patrick, thank you very much. Appreciate, enjoying, welcome. Victor, good afternoon. Thank you, Victor, and everyone. Who is Abdul Malik? Yes, thank you. Muladel, good afternoon. Welcome, guys. Welcome. And yeah, big day as Friday. And yeah, this is a day where we can expect for the market to give us wild movement possible. And yeah, like is going up. Would you mind making it to 50 likes? Thanks for that. So I will be also looking at dollar CAD, and let me look at the dollar CAD to see how the market is doing. Now dollar CAD, as there is a CAD news coming, let me look at the bigger picture. Monthly, starting with the monthly. Why monthly? Because monthly, weekly, higher time frame will give you clear direction, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. So this is the monthly candle so far. After the monthly close, we saw that from this zone, dollar CAD has a very strong rejection towards the downside. We look at the weekly chart here, we can see that from the weekly, previous week there was a long week doji. This week has gone up from series of lower high. So from the weekly and monthly, the probability is this is a this candle is almost where it started. So but though it is in an uptrend, because it formed rejection multiple times, we can expect dollar CAD to drop big below to create a new lower low. Now if I look at the daily chart on dollar CAD, we can see that from the daily, this is the daily chart, and with this daily time frame there is a long wick pin bar here on daily, followed by another long bearish candle with a healthy body in it, followed by, we see this is a very smaller candle here on the daily on dollar CAD, and so far it didn't move much. Let's draw the resistance here on the daily. Now from the intraday time frame, here the price action showing up is potentially, I don't want to say bearish or bullish because anything can happen. We need to wait for the news, and then if we see the market is respecting, then we will be entering the trade. You can see there is a rejection here, which is a sign of a bit of bearish pressure, but news might make this one again break and then could drop in that direction. So in this area where we can see that the price action gathering liquidity from the top, creating series of lower high, but the spike is very important with the news. It might grab liquidity from the top and then could continue to drop in that direction. So yeah, let's see how the market is doing. Based on the price action confirmation, we will be looking for entry on dollar CAD as well. We will be seeing that if the market is if the data has come out to be very nicely for movement, we can look for, I think if we see spike and retest, then we can look for entry. Now this is the daily candle. Without breaking the daily high, it's a very narrow range here for the potential drop. So if I look at the lower time frame, see there is quite a few long wick candles here, and with this long wick candle you can see it's forming one of a long wick candle. So this is a resistance line here. There is a head and shoulder formation also. If you look at, this is the head, left shoulder and the right shoulder. So head and shoulder formation on dollar CAD, and with this head and shoulder formation, it's trying to break below. We can see the bearish price action in that area. So a long doji here, and with this doji, this is a head and shoulder. So there's 15 minutes for this news to come out, and there is a support here. So okay, gold is, I'm looking at gold again, it's again forming long wick candle. So if we look at the 15 minutes, we can see there is another long wick candle is being formed. Hope that you guys can see me now. There was a bit of buffering. So dollar CAD is showing bearish pattern in that area. As there is a news coming, we might see potential downside. Coming to the daily support, so this is a daily support, and I think that we might see a bit of rejection from the daily support before moving down. So if we see the market gain enough momentum from the top, we can also look for entry on dollar CAD. If we see that, let's prepare the chart if we can find that entry. Come on, why? Okay, as there is a news coming on dollar CAD, so what I will be doing here on dollar CAD is I will be opening a position for the news just to give us that quick profit. So if possible, make sure you do the risk management. I'm doing the risk management. As you can see, I'm opening. My stop loss will be here at 1.3689, and if I look at the lower time frame, 15-minute or the 1 hour chart, so I will be targeting here. This is a news trading, so I want to see that the market has with the news has dropped. I know that it has a low risk reward, but I'll risk only 1% on this trade, and want to take that trade and want to see that news has given all the profit that we need. So I have sold dollar CAD. This is a trade that I have opened with 1% risk. Also, I'll be sharing the same trade in the community. And you can see that it's running so my stop loss on this trade is at 1.36898. It's a sell trade, and TP target on this trade is at 1.36702. So there will be around entry at 1.3678, so around 10 pip, 11 pip, 10 pip stop loss. So what I'm expecting on dollar CAD with the news, so you can see that it's just it just started to drop from that level. So I will prepare also my account to for any closing if I need it. So I prepare to see if I need to manually close it. I'm expecting with the news to have the spike to the downside and then to give me the profit that I need. So I'm running in profit, as you can see. If you guys can see my account, I'm running in profit. So let's see. I'm expecting it to drop down and then to give us a profit hit. So we see currently running little bit in profit on that account. So expecting it to have the spike, and then with the spike to hit the profit, or it might even hit the stop loss. It's only 1% risk that I have taken with the trade. The reason I have opened the trade, I will be explaining later. So make sure you stick till around this live session to explain fully. So to see my trade on this is this is my entry on dollar CAD at the short. It's a short. It's a sell trade at 1.3677. Stop loss at 1.36898. And take profit target is at 1.36702. I'm expecting for dollar CAD to have a spike, and then with the spike to hit the profit target. If we see that with the news has dropped and didn't hit the TP, I'm also prepared to close manually if needed. So let's see the real chart here. So the reason is, if you look at the 15 minutes, we can see there is a head and shoulder formation. Okay, and with the spike, I'm expecting for the price to drop to the support before even if it wants to spike to the upside. So far the price action is bearish, so expecting in the direction of the trend to drop. And also after that there will be dollar news. We will be also looking at gold as well, guys, so make sure that you stick till the end of this live session. It's gonna be a bit of longer because it's weekend. You want to secure here what's happening. So let me see, we have 10 minutes to go for the news to come, and we see a deeper pullback here. And with this pullback might try to now revert to the pullback. So if we look at the 4 hour, there is a so I took only 1% risk. So risk management is key. The reason I'm showing my trade is because so that you know that it's all about the risk management, and trading with the trend is the key. So as the news will be published, so we'll be waiting to see if there is a spike in that direction. And if the spike is in this direction, then because news always brings a spike, and the market has grabbed liquidity from the top, so there is the doji formation. Okay, so you see the 5 minutes price action. So we are also ready to in case we need manually to close. If I need to close, I will be doing that. First holding it, it's a news spike, expecting to spike down, and as soon as it will come down, if we see that it didn't hit the TP, I will be closing manually if we see enough profit running on this trade. You guys with me? So I would appreciate if you smash the like button now, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. So we have 5 minutes more for the news, and with this next 5 minutes, wanted to see that the market is breaking in that direction with a stronger spike. It grabbed liquidity again from this 20 EMA, so wanna see that it's breaking below. So even if it wants to go up, if the spike is down within a short period of time, I want to exit with the profit. So there is a big head and shoulder here. So the bias is potentially to the downside, but anything can happen in trading, as you know that easily they can manipulate to the upside. So we so dollar CAD waiting to drop down below to the support. Okay, so we are nearly at entry. You guys with me? Give a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you do proper risk management. I take only 1% risk. So we are just entering nearly to the profit area, still at entry, going up and down with the entry. You can see the trade, and we will be trading more today. I'm a day trader, so I love trading. We also will be looking at gold and Gbpusd. So stick till around. Make sure you just smash it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. And yeah, there will be a lot of content tomorrow. Also, I'm coming up with some new ideas, some new content, so I'll be posting it on the during the London session time. I would appreciate if you subscribe and head on to the channel, go to the playlist. There will be a lot of things that will change the way you look at the market. So let's see, we see a bit of profit running. Want to see the spike downside so that we can secure that. And just letting you know, if the spike suddenly to the downside, even if the market didn't hit the TP, I might close the profit. So due to the delay on the stream, maybe a couple of seconds delay on the stream, so if you see that significant profit, if you're running, even if I say I'm closing, the price might go back up again. So letting you know, if I see enough profit didn't hit the TP, we might manually close with profit. So let's keep up. And yeah, so expecting the spike to come down first. So the TP is at 70. So the TP at 702, which is the here 702. Maybe we can move to 71, which is the support, so we are not missing the point. So you have 2 minutes to go for the news to come up. So this is the 15 minutes candle, a doji, which is basically retest, still showing potentially rejection from the top. So I would like to move the TP at 1.36718, because you see there is a long wick here. We can put, because 70 is below this level, it might form equal high and then could bounce or it could drop. So I want to just move the TP 1.36718, 1 pip, in fact 1-2 pip, not a big deal, but we want to show that it's in a high probability. So I will move my TP. Okay, so I need to first close this one. So I will move my TP at 1.36718. 1.36718. So 1 pip above, so that we are a bit of in the high probability area, and keeping it open to close if needed. Now there is only 33 seconds for the news to come up. Yep, hit the profit target, guys. That's a nice one. Awesome, guys. Did you get the profit? I got the profit hit. Okay, So I got the profit hit, and yeah, this one hit $186. I had only, how did I get that much of profit? That's awesome. I just had only my profit target was only $50. Guys, can anyone tell me why I got that much of profit? $186 profit on this trade, which is in my account, which is around how many percentage? 3, 4%. That's awesome. Have you got the profit? I got $186. 4%. That's awesome. Anyone has happened this? We got a target for I got a target for 0.7%. 5-6 times. There was many orders, and yeah, this happened before also, I know that, but just that's awesome. You see that this the account that I'm running with this week alone, so far until Friday we had 6%. Now I add another 4%, so 10% this week, guys, in the live account. Coach, you are the best. Yeah, Lord. Yeah. So let me know how many of you have got the profit on this trade. See, it's a live trade, guys, in the live account. So make sure you stick to. We have more to take. Yeah, $120. Jacob, $120. The candle moves so fast it doesn't read right here. Yeah. Thank you. Friday blessing. Yeah, Friday blessing. Absolutely. Let's make the weekend more and more enjoyable, and keep the profit in your trading account. Stick to the channel for developing a healthy trading psychology. On the 1500 USD. Yeah, nice move there. $15 for trading. No problem. That's it. Thank you very much. Schedule 900 USD. Welcome. That's good. Thank you. Yeah, this is the main goal here in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. See, when you do the risk management, profit comes, right? When you do the risk management, you don't risk your capital, a smaller risk, but higher probability. So that's how the right way to trade. And this is the thing that I'm teaching day in day out to everyone. So if the most important part here is for you to keep that now profit in your account. Okay, so not over trading, not FOMO trading, not taking a big risk, not being greedy. Okay, so this is the main thing here. Jacob, thank you very much. Welcome. Yeah, so let's see. This is the news trading. Sometimes got very quick profit, but also comes with risk. Okay, Justin, welcome. Well done, guys. Thank you. Okay, so let's look at the data. What's happening here on the data? That's a massive drop on dollar CAD. So that has given gold also a rejection from this head and shoulders. So there might be, let me see what gold is planning. This is an overextended on gold, and okay, I don't want to predict yet. What we have to do is to wait for the price action confirmation, and that's We'll be discussing also on the dollar CAD trade, what did I looked at and how we can understand and learn and grow as a trader. Thanks for joining the live session, guys. I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Good evening, coach. What's your advice? My yesterday about holding trades happened to me again. I was up $100 and then market reversed and took me out. Emiko, well, we'll be discussing in depth on how you can develop on that side of trading psychology. And also I decided also to give a bit more one-on-one timing also to the VIP community. So for those who are on the VIP channel, if you are facing trading psychology, struggling to hold the trade, or some kind of thing that is stopping you to be profitable, then I'll send very soon on the channel a calendar, a timing that you can choose to have a one-on-one consultation with me, so that I'll see your trading pattern and I'll let you know what you should be doing to improve that part of the trading psychology. Because without developing the proper trading psychology, it might be very hard for you to remain profitable long term. So here what we can see, after this head and shoulder, gold started to break. See that what kind of price action it has formed, and I think we might, I don't want to say anything because you guys might be started to sell or buy, but gold might have a big move. So it's important that we look at the whole movement in the market. So this week, Friday, we gained more than 10% only this week, guys. So let's keep growing. It's important that we remain that. Okay, so why the dollar CAD? Yeah, that was huge, isn't it? So we will be also analyzing the trade, what you can do next time, how you can pick those kind of trade. So the main goal of this academy is to make you independent as a trader. So also guys, make sure you check out the link. I'm putting, as you can see, all those strategies that we are trading currently at the top. And those who already in the academy, I had a commentary early today. I want to see that every member in this academy are independent and profitable trader. This is my main goal here, and I'm taking every step possible, giving the tools, strategies, training, and so to train them up, to get a good outcome from that, we might keep the mentorship program off for some time. So because I want to train everyone, but before we off, we will take a couple of members to get on board, where you learn trade with me, and also I do share all my trade. You can last moment you can join today on Friday. So the mentorship, you can see that the way I trade, it's you'll find very unique. I know that there is a reason behind it. I'm not self-advertising, but you guys seen in the live session, the reason is the way I trade is based on the smart money trading concept. Now if you are making profit from the market every day, then keep trading that way. Watch the live session, you are completely good to go. If you are not making, if you are having any kind of difficulty, because I was in your position one day, many times I told my story, and to come to this stage, it took me a lot of time, and it's now compacted. It's like a chip that I can give you to learn and grow as a trader. So we I'm organizing also the boot camp. If you are joining our academy, then please don't expect to get rich overnight, or don't expect to give you a strategy that you can become a profitable trader overnight. But if you really a committed trader, if you want to take you trading to the next level, if you have any kind of dream, then you can join us, because this academy is for the dreamers. So if you have a dream to quit 9 to 5, but I don't recommend you to quit 9 to 5 right now, or if you want to create a successful trading business, okay, I don't want gambler, I want the real trader. One trader will bring another 1000 trader in this academy. That person I need here in this academy. So to be like that, you can find link in the description. I would recommend you to visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. so if you visit the website, then click join now button. If you go down to the this is today is fully discounted, which is nothing in comparison with what you get here. You will get all my trade as a signal, majority of them. Also there is a copy trading option available from my account, it's optional. You can find all my trading tool. There are many things is even not written here. You will get my guidance for the rest of the life. So you can click here to join, and then go to the checkout before we getting closed for the membership until the unlimited time. So here what is you'll get in this academy is nothing in comparison with what is you see here. So it's your choice, but if you don't want to join, that's fine. Stick to the live channel, stick to the live session. I'm here to give my best, but if you want to take it to the next level, also you can consider. When I'm doing the live, I just try to give my best, but when you are in the academy, you have more contact with me, personal communication, so that you can take your trading to the next level. Thank you for also supporting the channel all the time. Let's look at gold now, and we will be looking to see what's happening on gold. And because there is a news coming on 12 a.m. on dollar, so with this dollar news coming up on 12 a.m., I would like to see that there is also another movement happening in the market. So let's look at that here. Also guys, keep in mind that one very important point that I want to mention is that you know, when you have money, when you have secured profit, keeping it is a challenge. Okay, you know that we do often make profit, and then you will see that we give it back, because I'm telling you from my own experience as well. So make sure that you keep by not over trading. So we will be opening trade when we will come, but make sure you keep it. And even let's make a challenge. This will change the way you look at the market. I want to make everyone to make that, you know, profitable trader. So let's make a challenge for those who have secured profit today in the live account. Make an withdrawal of profit today, okay? Because there is a significant, trust me. What you can do right now, you can withdraw that profit right now when you are in this live session, so that when you draw that fund, you won't see it in your trading account anymore. Withdraw that fund. This is weekend, you know, go for, you might not get it straight away, but you can use it as later. But in the weekend, go for a dinner, lunch, weekend out. You know, that's how what will happen, our brain. So you are giving a reward to the brain. So it's called the reward system. So when you make a profit, withdraw, and then use it for any kind of recreational or essential purpose. So it will create a belief inside your brain that you can, because most of us mostly are habituated in putting money in the trading account, right? Putting the trading account and losing it, putting the trading account, losing it. Reverse that effect, okay? Reverse that process. Withdraw that profit and use it, pay the bill, or do any kind of recreational, like go for a dinner, lunch, or anything like that. So what will happen is your brain will get a reward for this act, so that it doesn't lose. And also you start to believe that from trading, not only people lose money, but from trading one can pay the bill and also can make a living out of trading. So this is it's a kind of, you know, you're programming your brain to believe in your act as a trader. So let me know how many of you willing to withdraw that fund and want to go for shopping or holiday or anything like that. Selling very strong positive news for CAD. Yeah, we see that. Thank you. Yeah, book profit. Well done. Got a humble $28 from $100 account. Yes, thank you very much. Well done. Gold. Yeah. Yusuf, thank you. Can you buy gold now, coach? Not yet. Victor, welcome. Okay, so let's now look at what we can see here. You can see this is a significant drop here in that area on gold, but I wouldn't consider it at the moment buying or selling, because it's weekend. Let's observe a little bit. It might even break down to the support. Okay, so I say that I will buy a prop from challenge with my profit. So I would say that it might again, so if you are buying a prop firm challenge, maybe you are again putting it on another risk. So what I was like, it's up to you, but what I believe that do it, what do you desire most? Do it in that act. Do you love food? What is the yummy food that you want to eat? Go for it. Or who do you love most? Buy something for him or her. So that's how you are basically giving a reward to your brain, because if you buy a prop firm, that's absolutely very good investment. You want to pass and then make good return, but it's also another risk, isn't it? So it's not something that instant gratification. So yeah, you can do that, but just It's my opinion. Yes, thank you very much. I just need $350 pass challenge. Okay, very good. Andy, welcome. I'm short Euro USD. So okay, very good. All right. So here on gold, let's see. Okay, now if I look at in this, I think it might even can have a breakdown on gold. I'm not saying that it's breaking down, but it might okay, very good. Lufati, well done. Yeah, do it something. Let basically get that profit out, so that you at least once you have used that to to serve yourself or to you something that you really want to, so that you can believe that from trading you can make living. Okay, so here is this is where resistance. Okay, now the way gold is heading, we have seen suddenly a breakdown, and okay, so this is the 1 hour, and we can see that there is a bit of a strong rejection here on well done, welcome guys, and in the meantime I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. And here is, if you look at this is the 5 minutes chart. The market has formed that head and shoulder, a big head and shoulder here, and managed to break below what's happening with the Gbpsd. It's in a consolidation. Dollar yen, huge bounce. So I just want to look at before the 4-hour close a bit of all the instrument, just to see what the market is currently doing. AUD USD didn't have much movement. So euro dollar is on a pullback. On gold, Gbpsd, this 4-hour didn't move much. It's consolidation. Dollar yen is slowly trying to move up. Dollar CAD. So dollar CAD basically after this liquidity grab has managed to break below, and Euro UD, GBP CAD and ZD CAD. So among all of them, we see the JPY pairs are trending, and also trending that on gold is in a very nice trend. GBP JPY didn't move much this session. Dollar yen also trending. Dollar CAD and so dollar CAD was very volatile. It's a big trend here. We saw that. And gold also was trending. Now this session we see a bit of long wick candle. Now because it's weekend, it's important to see after this 4-hour close, gold is either continuing to drop, or it's again breaking below and then moving up again. So all possibility, all things is possible, as you know, it's weekend. So if you look at the weekly candle on gold, there is a huge long wick candle, and with this long wick candle on gold, there is a wickless candle here, and we can see from that zone, if I look at the daily, also the same thing. And there is a bit of rejection coming up. Okay, there is liquidity candle formation. Still not closed. There is a fair value gap here. Okay, it's if gold is dropping down from this level with this liquidity candle formation, potentially still not closed, but we might see a potential liquidity candle formation, and I wouldn't consider it yet because the candle is still not closed. But if it fill that gap and got a strong rejection, then we will be looking to see that gold might be trending in that direction. So we have a 4-hour candle close coming, and then also there is in 1 hour time there is news on gold. That means on dollar. Okay, so if we want to trade gold, we need to see a deeper manipulation before we think of it's gonna drop. Okay, now okay, so here what we can see from this level for the price to, we see a clean head and shoulder and potential for drop on gold. And as this market trending, being patient is the key, guys. Dollar GBP is choppy, but we see that there is a bit of rejection on gold. And looking at the weekly candlestick pattern on gold, so gold might so if I look at the daily chart, we see significant rejection on the 30 minutes. So the order block is here. So if I look at our liquidity candle, you can see this is where the liquidity candle formation, on gold. And this tool, for those who are with the liquidity candle in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you can turn that on and see, and for your learning and growth as a trader. So make sure you look at that. And also any question, don't hesitate to ask. You must use the liquidity candle in conjunction with the lessons that I have given posted with the liquidity candle. Make sure you cover that. Now we see a drop. Now this is now acting as a resistance here, important. So if we see the price has revisited that, okay, if the market is going to this resistance nearly there, could be an important point that we can look for any kind of selling opportunity. Thank you, Chrissy. Hello, coach. I'm late to join. I know that the reason why you are took the trade on dollar cat. Yeah, we'll be also discussing. Yeah, this is the main goal here, is to you so that you can learn and grow as a trader. First, let's see what's happening here, and also we'll be discussing about the dollar cat trade and in-depth analysis on that. You want to see that it's going back up to this resistance and then getting a rejection. Okay, so looking at answering this question about dollar CAD. Okay, so dollar CAD. Okay, what's the reason? So there are two reasons on dollar CAD. The first reason that we have open on dollar CAD is the price action confirmation. Okay. Secondly, we have looked at the liquidity candle that we have seen. Thirdly, the event. So it's an event driven strategy. Timing is very important. Okay, so event or timing is very important to look at. More understanding about the liquidity, if you are not sure, then you can head on to our liquidity strategy. So it's all about having a strategy and then trading based on that strategy. That's the key, guys. Keep in mind that this is the key to be profitable as a trader, is to trade based on strategy, based on risk management plan, and trading with the trend, which is very, very important. Now here we can see also, just letting you know, all the trade that I do open also I share in the community. Dollar CAD also was shared in the VIP Telegram channel with proper entry, stop loss, and take profit target. So now gold, what it is doing here, that's the main points. You can see the price has broken this low and then trying to bounce back up, and it's just heading to the resistance level. After breaking this 30 minutes 20 EMA, we see that there is a primary rejection. Because long-term trend is up, we can expect significant movement in this instrument, but it is also possible for the price, because it was grabbing liquidity from this resistance, form a head and shoulder. It is also possible that the price will break high again, coming back down after. There is a FVG here. Okay, so I wouldn't do anything at the moment in that until we see that clear rejection from the top. So if it is straight going up here to the fair value gap, it might even come back down again. It might, I'm not saying that it will come, but let's see. If we see get rejected from here after long wick candle or price action, then we can think of doing anything again on gold. Are you guys ready for another trade if it is coming? So there is another news coming later today. Yeah, good morning. Thank you very much. I must say gold is grabbing liquidity, then it go, and also with fundamentals. Martin, short on gold, okay. Maybe your USD small profit, got it early, okay. $360 now, short on profit 90. Martin, well, very good, good to hear that. Now here is this is a very important liquidity zone, and either breaking this high look at the 1 hour. So you see that rejection here, and you know that always trend is your friend, always keep in mind. So always looking at the direction of the trend is always the best idea. We need to look at after breaking that high how the price is doing. It's got a rejection. So the candle closed, and okay, it's now going to a very important area. So after breaking that, okay, it's going to a fair value gap. I want to bring my account on gold, and still not trading, but I'm prepared to enter if anything. So I brought my account here. I'm not entering, but if in case I'm prepared, enter. So I will be entering with only 1% risk if I need to enter. So I'll be basically reinvesting my previous trades only 1% if I enter. So here is so I'm on 5-minute chart on gold. might go up further, try to go up further, and it's important to look at that. Is it like reversal from here and major direction of the trend to the, or it is going for a retest of this neckline of fair value gap and then dropping back down again? So we'll be looking at the price action to see what it is doing. Okay, so it's now penetrating into that zone. Now it's going to a very crucial level. So it's penetrated into that area of this neckline. It is possible for the price to go up here. I'll be selling short on gold exactly with this setup. So the stop loss here, TP target, I'll be keeping a bit bigger profit target, at least 3 to 1, and I'm selling short on gold from this level. So my stop loss at 2375.93, TP target at 2349.71. We might be able to adjust it. I have just sold gold from this level. Let's see how it is doing. And so I'm running in profit. As you can see, I might close earlier or depending on how it is doing. So I prepare my account to close or take profit or to modify anything. So let's see how far it is doing. I think that if the gold already made a significant movement here, if it get a rejection from the top, we could see again another wave of potential drop on gold. And as you can see, the market is moving in the direction. I'm running in profit at the moment. So let's secure another some profit here. Depending on the situation, I will either be keeping the trade or I will be taking profit. Let's see first of all. Okay, so the price action on gold is, there is a probability for this drop, and I'm ready to close if needed. Okay, you can see the profit is running at the moment, and So I'm about to approach another 1% on this. So anytime if I close, I'll give a shout out and I'll be closing if I see that we need to take the profit. Still probability for downside. Okay, closing it. Taken the profit. Taken the profit. It might drop further, but I have taken it, so you can, let's take it. And if I bring out my total profit, that's what today we can see that. So if you guys see, this is a live account, and overall today alone this is 0.5%. So overall profit, it might drop further. It's up to you if you want to close it or keep it running. So I'm almost just in two of this trade, around quite a few percentage taken out. Anyone here on this trade with me? Thank you very much. Thank you. So the TP I have set at 2349, but I have taken up because it's weekend. Wanna secure that profit. Thank you. It might drop further, or might just manipulate or consider it. Thank you, welcome. So it might fill that gap and then keep pushing down. It might even just keep dropping like that. It might be a waterfall. I'm done for the day with quite a few good trade. And yeah, this is what being a trader means, that you know when to take action. You see that when I have entered the trade, The reason I am showing the whole process is so that you guys know exactly when you are trading, this is how you will be, trading. I'm not telling you how you should be trading. Everyone has his own style. But what I'm saying that, like, you need to have a confidence on the way you will be trading. So this kind of trade, even if you are trading based on signal, you won't be able to be profitable. Like, you see how we need to make the decision. So because of that, I, rather than giving a signal, I prefer copy from my account. If anyone in the VIP community want to learn, so I keep my account is available for as a VIP community to copy from me rather than signal, because signal is basically, when I'm sending the signal, you are thinking, taking, it's take the time and not going exactly in the same place. So yeah, I see that Ghulam Farooq has created an account on the website. Ghulam Farooq, if you want to join the academy, I would recommend you to use the, so if anyone want to create an account with us or be a member of Forex Trading Wizard Academy to see all my trade, to access all my strategies, so what you need to do is just visit the website, click join now button and choose the lifetime access to access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, to be part of this trading community. So with that in mind, we can see that after this rejection, it just has got a move, and it might just keep dropping further. This is a liquidity trigger to this liquidity zone, and because of that, I have decided to sell, guys. And anyone have any confusion about this trade, or guys, did you like the stream to be more than 100? And yeah, thanks for the joining this live session. Absolutely appreciate your support throughout. And yeah, this week we have gained 10% in our day trading, almost at the end of the week. And there is another week coming, which is the third week of the month, or the second week, yeah, third week of the month. And if we look at the market from all angle, okay, so we see that there is a big movement in the market, and this week was a big move. So how the weekly candle will close also will determine how the next week will be, and depending on that. So it was a great week with all of you guys. How was your week, guys? Before can you let me know how was your week? Gold is still going down, still in profit here, I think. So did anyone enter gold trade with me here in this live session? Yeah, it might just keep dropping. And how was your this week trading, Lord? Yes, okay, thank you. And in the meantime, also, if you want to sign up with the broker that I am trading, I put a link below this video in the description for the broker. They have a multiple account option, and also I found that I'm trading with them currently and for a long time, so you can use that sign up. I can give you the sign up link in the live chat. So if you are signing up with them, also if you are trading with me, you can find my trade available to you. I trade with, as you have seen, I trade with only 1% risk. So if you are signing up with the broker, and you can access my trade also when you are in the academy, or somehow if you want to access my trade with the same broker, you can access it. So you can find link below this video in the description, and also I have given a link. The broker is TMGM. So let me, so you can see they are the best broker that I have found. So use that link to sign up if you want to join them and trading with them, and also being part of the trading community. Guys, keep in mind, trading education is currently, it's not readily available for everyone, the right education. But if you are in the academy, in this channel, in this Forex Trading Wizard Academy YouTube channel, you will find the real trading. In this channel there is around 2500 video. Watch all of them, go to the playlist. You don't need to watch 2500, but those has the highest view, you can watch them. Go to the trading psychology part, also watch them. If you if you're a beginner and trust on your ability that you can do it. They said that 90% retail traders lose their account money. If you are losing your account money, then probably you're in the 90%. But here, we are pushing everyone to go to the 1% of the trader. So make sure you keep faith on and don't quit, don't take a big risk, and trade with the trend. Yeah, Mario, absolutely entered into the trade. Welcome, Bruce Ben. Yeah, so if you are trading with me, I would recommend you to keep the same kind of style. All right, like take your don't try to avoid trading on mobile phone, because to enter the trade with me, either in the live session or in the VIP live session, always keep desktop or laptop. Try to keep a desktop or laptop, and then use a risk manager tool. So the way I am trading now, you have seen that I keep a stop loss, I keep a risk managed. So that's how you can keep your hard-earned money protected with risk management, and then making more and more profit and being a profitable trader, right? So thank you for joining this live session, and please, Gbpusd is still, but it's going upside. Gbpusd, what you are on the trade on Gbpusd, you see that there is a bounce on Gbpusd on the lower time frame. So yeah, so is there an issue going upside on Gbpusd? Okay, so we were looking at gold. Let's focus on that. I think Gbpusd might be just getting some liquidity here. So Gbpjpy also we see from the support having a bounce. Should I exit or not? I don't know. I didn't open any trade on Gbpusd, so I can't advise you either you should be exiting or not. I can show you only what I'm trading. Alright guys, so thank you for joining the live session. It's almost let's enjoy the weekend, and I will be posting some important content. I would recommend you to join the free Telegram channel, link below this video, in the where you can also find some of my available content. I post early today also, if you remember, I posted an idea about the gold, and just it bounced from that level. You guys have seen that. So sometime I share some ideas on the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video. So with that being said, thanks for being here, and I'll see you again trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy.